Hello, I'm gonna make an update for my jigsaw guide so I can use it with blade angles up to 45 degrees. So I have to remove the quick access cover. Take in mind that you may need a different solution for other jigsaw models. In my case I have to loosen this screw, so I'll make a hole in the plywood in order to get access to it without assembling the jigsaw. I am going to try if everything works with my biggest blade. I also have to modify the guide to adapt it to these angle cuts. Now I'm marking the position of the drill for the threaded insert. And adjusting the height of the guide bearings. I'm gonna mark and sand the corners in order to get some mark out height. And finally, I'm gonna show you how to use it with both miter gauge and fence.